introduce our first film, Ang Lihim ni Maria Makinang. Ang director, of course, we'd like to call in Direk Gian Are to represent Ang Lihim ni Maria Makinang. And of course, later on, we will also introduce the cast. Hello! Hello, Direk, you may take center stage. And of course, a brief presentation. Right.
Hello, I am Gian Are. Please stay seated, thank you. My film is Ang Lihim ni Maria Makinang. I am the writer-director. And what is Ang Lihim ni Maria Makinang about? Siyempre, lihim nga. John. Pero it's about this century-spanning friendship and romance between Maria and Danilo, who we track through his coming of age. It's a magical realism film wherein we track this one woman who can only manifest whenever there's a full moon. So how that affects the relationship is transpired in the film. Thank you.
Alright, maraming salamat po. Now let's bring out your talented artists behind the film. Simulan natin kay Aiko Garcia, followed by Micaela Raz. And also we would like to acknowledge some of the other cast who are unable to join us here today. Of course, we have Gold Aceron and Christy Imperial. Hello, a big round to our artists ng Ang Lihim ni Maria Makinang. Alright, we will have a group photo for film number 1 today. Okay, thank you so much. Eyes towards the center of the room, please. Now towards the left side of the room for our friends from the press. Maraming salamat po. And finally towards the right side of the room as well, our press and friends from our social media world. Okay, thank you so much. Again, film number 1, Ang Lihim ni Maria Makinang. Okay, so please proceed to your assigned tables off the stage. Later, we will invite the directors back on stage when we have the Q&A. Next up, our next film is directed by Direk Rance Anonuevo Carino from Babae sa Butas. Again, as you all know, after our film presentation, meron po tayong Q&A wherein we will invite our friends from the press to ask your questions towards the whole film festival. So now, we are waiting on film number 2, Ang Babae sa Butas. Ang ilan sa mga cast na nandyan, we have Van Allen Ong, Vern K, Sky Gonzaga, and Karen Lopez. But for now, let's invite Direk Rance Anonuevo Carino. Hello po. Yes, you may take center stage. Welcome, welcome. Bati ka po muna sa ating audience.
Hello po.
Yan. So could you give us a brief background of Babae sa Butas?
Okay po, good afternoon to all of you. Ang Babae sa Butas ay tungkol sa isang magtalik na magkasintahan na pinapalagan ang importansya ng kanilang relasyon. Especially yung kanilang virginity. So, ilang beses nang binaliwala rin ng babae yung kanilang pagtatalik. Kaya naman, nung dumating sa buhay nila, isa sa mga kaibigan ni Donna, ang kanyang kaibigan na si Megan, ay nagkaroon nito ng haka-haka kung sino ang babae nasa butas. So, nabigyan ng importansya yung kanilang pagtatalik na akala niya yung kanyang girlfriend ang gumagawa. So, iyon, hindi niya alam kung sino talaga ang babae sa butas, kaya hintayin natin at panoorin po natin kung ano po at kung sino po talaga ang babae sa butas.
Yes, sir. Do you have something to add?
Yung writer po namin, si Sir Dugo, may add lang po.
po. So, gusto lang namin pong ipakita sa film na to yung sa tingin namin na bago or yung sa tingin namin na hindi pa nakikita ng lahat. So, maganda, exciting po yung film na to. So, sana abangan nyo talaga.
Oo, title pa lang, nakaka-curious, no? Sino ba ang babae sa butas? Malalaman natin, October 22 to 28. Ngayon, tawagin natin ang ating cast. Van, Allen, Ong, yes, please stay with me here on stage. Malalonely ako if you leave. Vern K, followed by Sky Gonzaga and Karen Lopez. Hi, everybody. Please say hi to our audience. If you may pass the mic, thank you. Sino dyan ang babae sa butas? Huwag yung sabihin, huwag yung sabihin.
Hello.
Yes, please say hi.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much for coming and supporting Sinasilip. Not only Babae sa Butas, but every film that is included. Thank you so much for supporting all 7 films and thank you ulit. Ito, bibigay ko na yung my favorite.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito sa Sinasilip. And sana po supportahan niyo yung Babae sa Butas.
Hello everyone, I am Sky Gonzaga. Thank you so much for coming. Hindi po ako yung babae sa butas. Kayo na po ang maghanap ng butas. I mean sa babae sa butas. Thank you so much.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. This is Karen Lopez po. Thank you po sa mga nagpunta and sa mga sumusuporta sa Sinisilip. Abangan niyo po. Ang ganda, promise. Hulaan niyo kung sino yung babae sa butas. Ayun, hulaan.
Ayan. For sure, abangan namin yan. Such beautiful ladies. Thank you so much. Group photo lang po tayo dito sa center. Okay, so we'll have Direk and our writer in the middle. Yes, please, dito po sa ating line on stage. Okay, first, tingin po tayo towards the center of the room. Again, this is cast and director and writer of Babae sa Butas. Ngayon naman po, towards the left side of the room, dito po tayo tumingin. Salamat po. Perfection. Ngayon naman po towards the right side of the room. Maraming salamat to our dear friends from our social media influencers for being here. Okay, meron pa tayong chance for another group photo mamaya. So for now, may I ask the cast to find your assigned tables off stage. Thank you so much. Next up, our next film, part of Sinasilip Film Festival mula sa Dream Boy. Let us call in Direk Rodina. Sing!
Ano, babate. Hello. Hello, magandang buhay. Sa gitna ba? Okay. Hello, magandang buhay. Ako po si Rodina Singh, writer-director ng Dream Boy. Dream Boy po ang ikalawa kong feature film after my first feature, Mamoy na Mother 2, which debuted sa Cinema One Originals. Simple lang ang kwento ni Dream Boy. Tungkol lang ito sa isang character na sinusubukang buhayin ang libog niya. Not until makilala niya na yung tao na nasa likod ng pantasya niya at nang pinakikinggan niyang nagsisex sa isang banyo happens to be the same person, and that's Dream Boy. Ayun.
Ano po yung theme song nito?
Ay,
Mr.
may-
Dream Boy. Charot. Okay.
O hindi, meron din pala. Sige, dahil na-mention na yan. May soundtrack kami for this. Like, we did songs for, I wouldn't claim it's a musical, but we use a lot of songs in this film. Ayun.
Amazing. Isa sa mga abangan sa Dream Boy. Now, let us call out, of course, the stellar cast behind Dream Boy. We have Tony Labrusca and Mix Almedras. And EJ Halorina. Yes, welcome, welcome. Of course, we have the cast. Palakpakan po natin of Dream Boy. Please do say hi to everybody.
Hello po.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for joining us today.
Hello po. May inibago ako. Hindi ako nakaupo dyan. Hello po. Ay, mapakilala ko sila. Sorry.
Yes, thank you po. Also, we'd like to acknowledge Jen Rosa, who's also part of the film, unfortunately, are unable to join us today. May gusto po kayo dagdag, Direk?
So Tony plays Dream Boy here. si EJ ang perspective ng ng paglilibot. Sorry. Also makes us part of this. And surprisingly, si Jen Rosa, hindi lang siya makakapunta. Pero gusto ko lang i-share na Jen really did a great job in this film. Kasi parang when we talk about this, sabi ko, alam kong sanay ka na with doing these things. Pero while sa pelikulang to ay nakahubad tayo, sabi ko sa kanya, bibihisan ko siya. So abangan ninyo kung paano namin binihisan si Jen Rosa sa pelikulang ito. Kasi ang galing-galing niya. Na-share ko lang. Share.
Amazing. Maraming salamat po. Again, we have Team Dream Boy for you. Tingin po tayo ngayon sa harapan for a group photo. You may compress, alright? Tingin po tayo towards the center of the room for our friends from the press. And of course, I think we are live streaming. Thank you so much. Ngayon naman po towards the left side of the room for our guests over here. And finally, towards the right side of the room. Picture lang po, direct picture. Yes! Pakita natin yung outfit. Alright. There you have it. Maraming salamat, Dream Boy. Of course, later we will have Q&A with all of our films. You may now proceed off stage to your designated table. Okay, next up, film number 4, ladies and gentlemen, is called Haplos sa Hangin. Of course, directed by Miko Baldoza. Hello, Direk. Magandang tanghali po.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
How do you feel? How are you feeling?
Medyo kinakabahan lang. Pero okay naman.
Okay lang yan. Tayo, tropa-tropa lang tayo dito. Tayo lang to. Alright. Ano po ba ang kwento sa likod ng Haplos sa Hangin?
Ang Haplos sa Hangin po ay tungkol sa newly engaged couple na si Liz at Eman na matetest ang kanilang pagmamahalan dahil sa kanilang mysterious neighbor na si Althea. So, yun po. Ayan.
Short but sweet. Thank you so much. Direct, you may take center stage. Now, let us bring in your cast. Representing Haplos sa Hangin, we have Martin Del Rosario, Denise Esteban, Angelica Cervantes, and of course, our producer is here as well, Mr. Sonny Calvento. Nice to have all of you here. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you so much. Please say hi to everybody.
Hello po, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta and I hope supportahan niyo po yung Haplos sa Hangin. Thank you.
Ganun din po, hello po sa inyo lahat na nandito. Inipitahan ko po kayo na sana po supportan niyo po ang aming pelikula, Haplos sa Hangin, this October 22.
Yes po, and ayun nga po, medyo kakaiba nga po. Since ngayon lang po ako nakarinig ng VFX na horror, as far as I know. So sana po panoorin niyo po and magugustuhan niyo po yung kwento dito. And yung plot twist lalo.
Ayan. So the genre is horror. Oh, I love horror. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. Now is a group photo. Let's have a group photo with Team Haplos sa Hangin. Tingin muna po tayo sa gitna. Thank you so much. Ngayon naman po towards the left side. Dito naman po. For our dear friends from the press, thank you so much for joining us. As always, we love ya. And ngayon naman po towards the right side of the room, thank you so much. And we're all good. Thank you, Team Haplos sa Hangin. You may now proceed to your designated table off stage. Okay, we are more than halfway, all right, in presenting our films this afternoon. Next up is Maria Azama, the best porn star. Presenting Maria Azama, the best porn star, let's call in Direk Alpha Habon.
Hello, good afternoon po. Thank you for your time.
Hello, Direk. Yes, you may, dyan po sa gitna, para nasa iyo ang spotlight. Okay, Direk Alpha, kwentuhan mo kami.
So, yung movie ko takes us to the world of J-porn, Japanese porn. Si Albi dito isang Japanese porn fan. Tapos isang araw, na-discover na niya, pagkagising niya, na katabi na niya yung kinahumalingan niya Japanese porn actress. So, what if reality blends with his fantasy? So, that's the story.
Cute. I love the synopsis. Did you write this, Direk?
Yes, I wrote and directed it. Yeah.
Amazing.
It's a sexy comedy pala. That's the genre.
It's a sexy comedy. Fantastic! Alright! Napaka-wide ng genres ng Sinisilip Film Festival. Tunay nakaka-excite. So, ang kasama mong cast ngayon ay si Chloe Jenna. Yes, let's call in Chloe. The very beautiful Chloe. And also, we would like to acknowledge, syempre, Albi Casino, Danny Yoshida, and Jerry Craval, who is also part of the film. Chloe, this is your chance. Say hi to everybody.
Good afternoon, everyone.
I love your boots today.
Yes, very Barbie.
Yeah, very Barbie. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, picture po tayo. Please do take the center. Gitna po. We have markings there. Also, we are streaming live today on Facebook, alright, sa ating mga Facebook pages. So ngayon, tingin po tayo sa gitna. Thank you so much. Dito naman po tayo sa kaliwa. Awesome stuff. Now, right side of the room. Last but not least. Awesome. Again, we have Team Maria Azama. Okay, meron isa pa daw po for our official photographer of Viva. Thank you so much. Again, Team Maria Azama, the best porn star. Alright, ang inyong table ay naririto. Next up is Pagdaong. We have Direk Pongs Leonardo. Alright. Hello, Direk Pongs. Ano ang istorya ng Pagdaong?
Ang Pagdaong po ay kwento ni Luna, isang sikat na writer na nawalan ng minamahal na sorry, kinakabahan ako.
You got it, Direk. Palakpakan naman natin si Direk Pongs!
So, ang Pagdaong ay kwento ni Luna, isang sikat na writer na iniwan ng kanyang pinakamamahal ng biglaan. So, si Luna, igugugol niya yung oras sa paggawa ng libro. Umaasa siya na yung librong yun yung magpapabalik sa minamahal niya. Pero ang makakabasa ay isang batang critic na i-interviewin siya. Tapos dun sa conversation nila, dun nag-unfold lahat ng reasons kung bakit siya iniwan. So yun. Pagdaong sa drama, but it's not about loss. It's about the transient nature of relationships. Ayun.
Pinagdaanan niyo ba to, Direk?
Medyo.
Hugot pala, joke lang. Okay, maraming salamat po. Of course, we have Direk Pongs Leonardo here for Pagdaong. Tawagin na rin natin ang inyong cast. Of course, we have Angela Morena, Astrid Lee, Ashley Lopez, and Chester Gresha. Lovely to have you ladies here on stage. Please do say hi. I know they're looking forward to hear from you.
Ayan, thank you, PBN. Hello everyone, magandang hapon. Maraming salamat po sa time nyo at sobrang na-appreciate po namin yung pagpunta nyo rito.
Salamat po sa mga pumunta. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin kayo.
Bakit kailangan panoorin ang Pagdaong?
Hello po, my name is Ashley Lopez and dapat nyo pong abangan ng Pagdaong dahil for sure hindi lang po ito tatatak sa utak nyo kundi pati sa puso nyo. Thank you.
Yun ang promo.
Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta and sana panoorin niyo po yung Pagdaong and napakaganda po nito and directed by Pongs Leonardo. Maraming salamat po.
Amazing. We're all excited to see Pagdaong ngayon. Let's have a group photo. Compress lang po tayo towards the center of the stage. Tingin lang po tayo sa gitna. Again, we are live streaming on the Sinisilip Film Festival Facebook page and please do follow and like our other social media pages. Ngayon naman po towards the left side. Eyes here. Thank you. And finally, of course, towards the right side of the room para balance. Life should always be balanced. Thank you. All right, great stuff. Thank you so much, Team Pagdaong. You may now proceed to your assigned table here off stage, and of course, later on, we will invite you back here again to our directors. And we are now down to our final film. That will be included in Sinisilip Film Festival again, October 22 to 28. Okay, we have Salik Mata. Vera, directed by Direk DC Amparado. Hello, Direk.
Hello.
Direk, kamusta po? How do you feel right now?
Masaya naman. Very honored na dito sa sarili.
Great. Okay, of course, gusto namin malaman ano ba ang kwento ng Salikmata.
Our film is a psychological erotic thriller. So yun, it tackles manipulation, abuse, and violence. Tapos meron din kind of supernatural element dito. So Salikmata is unseen. So this is written by Direk Jason Polaksamana. And what's unique about this film is it's told in reverse. So magsa-start siya sa dulo until we unfold sa pinaka-dulo chapter.
Wow, okay. Talagang ang wide nga talaga ng genres na kasama. So yours is a psychological erotic thriller. How exciting the genre. Okay, thank you so much, Direk PC. Tawagin natin ang iyong cast. We have Aliyah Raimundo, Errol Carmelo, Rinoa Halili, and finally, VJ Vera. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello.
Hi guys.
Yes, bati kayo, bati kayo.
I'm Hebron. Kami po ang cast ng Salikmata.
Ayun po, yung sabi niya. Kami po ang cast ng Salikmata. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Errol Carmelo. Gumanap bilang Jordan dito.
Ako po si VJ Vera, ang gumanap bilang Bruce.
Hello po, ako po si Rinoa Halili. Gumanap po bilang Mercy.
Ayan, hello po. Good afternoon po. Ako po si Aliyah Raimundo as Karina.
At sila ang Team Salikmata. Okay, so let's have a team photo. Team, muna po tayo sa gitna. Nandiyan din ang ating official photographer of Viva. Thank you so much for working so hard. Our dear friends from the press, thank you. Ngayon naman po, towards the left side of the room. Eyes here, please, ladies and gentlemen. Lovely. And finally, towards the right side of the room. Again, this is the 7th film that will be closing our film list for today ng Sinesilip Film Festival. Alright, thank you so much. Now, may we request all of the films, all of the actors and directors to please come on stage for a big group photo. Thank you so much. Alright, again, we have 7 films. Iba-iba po ng genre. May I ask you please to join me here on stage for a big group photo. Maraming salamat po.